this is Taj Tires. I've got a Toyota Yaris here on a 2002 plate, just doing the main dip beam. As you can see right here, this one here is working. On this side it's not, and to get to this one is the easiest one. So that's the plug right there. You need to undo and then take the cover off, take the light out. But this side here is quite awkward to get to, so you're going to need quite like sort of skinny hands to get to the bulb. But we're not doing the passenger side, we're doing the driver's side. Just going to show you. Switch the lights off first, switch the ignition off, engine off, and then I need to get the camera angle right. Here we go. Now that's the plug that we need to undo. So usually they do sort of get stuck, so you might need like a flat screwdriver to go through the little gap right in there and then push the plug out gently. But with this one I'm gonna try see if I can get it done without. Here we go. Now that's the plug out. This is a H4 bulb. It's a 3-pin bulb. You can find them on Amazon. If you want, I'll have a link in there anyway. I'll have a link in the description to where to buy the bulb from. But let's do this. Now you've got on the inside right there, if I can show you. Let's get the camera angle right again. So if we can look on the inside, because you've got a spring on the top which you push in and then pull back towards you. Then you take the bulb out. So why does this keep blurring? Let me just sort this camera angle out for a second. Right, that's better. Now that's the way the bulb came out. This is the way it needs to go back in. So the two little lugs, they need to sit on the bottom, and the top one is going to be on the top. Get the bulb. Right, it is a H4 bulb, as you can see right here. Never hold the bulb from the lens itself, so always hold it from the back. Now we got the new one out, so there's only one way the bulb is going to go. 2 pins on the bottom and a single one on the top. Push the spring in. Just before I connect it all back together, I'm just going to check, see, make sure it's working. Right, as you can see right there, they're both working. Now the ignition is off, so I don't want to leave the lights on for long. Otherwise it will drain the battery out. But that's what you got to do on this particular model. If there is anything else, please do let us know. We'll try helping you as much as we can. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. And you can also check the playlist out for Toyota and also for the bulbs as well. If any of your friends got other cars that need help on bulbs, anything else, service resets, it's all on there. Thank you very much. Goodbye.